So these are the pressure tank. This is the 20 to 40 PSI SP12. Lanigang?
3,299 pesos and 75 centavos.
Okay, and this one is the same model.
Yeah, same model.
So the same price, 3299.75, and also this one. This is a different one. Why pressure? Kani ka ay? Kani lang sa? Kani,
so for
pila,
this one, it's
pila ka PSI? 20 to 40
same thing, but the model
is this is more bigger.
Yeah.
And it's vertical one, 4,099.75.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the same with the two. So that's the qualification, 20 to 40 PSI pressure. So the Tiger, para ang presyo ay Sabres Tiger pressure tank for
4,599.75.
Wala siya kung ano, kung unsa yung PSI. Wala gya.
May kini sa first tank ni.
Dara yung model. Oh, dara. That's 6,000 man nagiday na. 6,885. And the pressure, wala sa check kung ano. Specifications. Kani diri ga. Kanan 21 gallons capacity. Dara yung presyo ga ay. Pina mo or
is mo na siya ma'am 3,680.
680.
So
This
first tank yung brand.
Oh, kani.
So for this one, it's
21 gallons capacity. The same raman pressure. SP21.
same.
But this is more expensive. 7,535. Kaning 42. SP42. Ilaga. SB42 by Best Tank, pressure tank that could carry 20 to 40 PSI.
Mas barato siya.
Pila siya?
$6,499.75.
Okay.
Sige na,
Ang
stainless.
Tiger is stainless, which is
12,656.
12,656, and this one 12,650.
650.
SP42. Pila ka liter siya? Wa kaya pun ga, no? Same pa siya. 12,650. This is Global Water Solution. Pila yung price do?
Ano? 21,999.75.
So this is the pressure. This is the specifications
Yes.
or the model.
Temperature. So 130 liters.
130. Siya wala siya ko ano specification how many is the capacity. Sa iya ko nung price tanawa ko no dong.
Price is 12,000.
Kasi naadla ang pila yung capacity.
SP42.
Still, you got no. But this one, sa barem, dara yung presyo sa ilaw guy. Barem, and that's the specification.
27,499.75.
Pila ka liter?
Kano siya? 200. Dali. Volume 200.
200 liters. And then ang next one,
Next one is it's 100 liters in capacity.
100
That's
liters capacity.
16,499.75.
Okay, kanili smaller siya ga.
It's 80 liters in capacity,
That's 80 liters.
and then it's 12,499.75.
Okay, kaniga.
For this one, it's 60 liters in capacity. So it's 9,399.75.
Okay. Nara kaning mga horizontal.
Okay. So for this one,
Yung capacity pila ka ba?
40.
Daragong ay. Dara. Pila ka liter?
60.
60 liter
Pero
pressure
kung
tank.
siya, horizontal lang siya.
Horizontal. 6,000.
6,999.75.
Okay. So the next horizontal, the bigger one,
60. 40 dito siya, 40 dito siguro.
40 liters.
40.
Kani.
So for this one, 60 liters in capacity, that's 9,499.75.
So that's the 40 liter. This is the 60.
liters.
And this is
Same 60 liters.
same 60.
9,499.
So the same. So these are the kanina lang no. Kaniga. Pila ni 1,000?
60 liters is the one. And then pala siya vertical type lang siya.
Oh, so this is just 60 liter but vertical type.
It's 9,399.75. Same lang
Okay,
siya.
so this is all the pressure tank here.